I promised you guys that I would make a sticker tutorial, but I think I have one that I don't care about. Okay, this is my cafe's picture, my cafe symbol. Wait, does it have it? Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, I messed up. Okay. So I got some. So the materials that you need is tape, but I don't have tape because I ran out, and some double-sided tape. And if you don't have tape, you can just use like this kind. I don't know. I don't have that much left. I don't know what is this called, but it's just like how do you call that? Laminated paper. It's just like something that is like, I don't know, but maybe you guys can find out. And so what I did was that I got, like, wait, I need to cut this out first. So I just did this. I just cut it out. And the way to make these stickers are so easy. It's just like I draw a picture and then I cut it out, and then I put some this kind of tape in it. If you don't have tape, you just use that one. Oh no, I think I ripped it. Oh no, it's okay. I can make another one because I have a lot. Like this one. And by the way, I'm obsessed with Stranger Things, so I make a lot of Stranger Things one. I know I'm not that, I know I don't have that much stickers, but me and my new friend, Iwi. My friends call her Nong Cook because we live in Thailand, but I'm gonna show you the tutorial now. So first we draw our picture, draw, and this one we just get some tape and then you fold it, and then you stick them together, and then you can have like this base plate, like this kind, like this. You just slowly turn them around or just fold them, but I recommend like folding them fold. But people just like to continue. And then I get my paper when it's done. That is like this. It's like this, I guess. I am going to get the double-sided tape. Now I'm going to show you this one wheel. I'm going to get this out. Wait. Get this out. And when I'm done, I put it to dispose. So when I want to do more, I just get some. So what you're going to do is get some of this. And then I just put them on here on the back, so it's gonna look like a real sticker. Okay, now I'm going to cut out the excess, and I'm just going to, oh no, it's stuck. Oh god, it's okay, we can just start. Okay, so now I'm going to, wait, no, I don't want it here. Oh no, it's stuck. Number here. So now we're going to squeeze it very tightly because you don't want to end up like this. Like this. Double tape is going to be stick into the paper. You don't want that, don't you? And so wait, then I'm going to fold it really hard. Okay. So now we got like this. So it's going to be okay. And now we are going to put it like normal. That is really took me an hour to make only one. But if it's two, then 2 hours. And that is how I made my stickers. That is it. I'll be seeing you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.